The old typewriter sat alone on the thrift store shelf, keys gleaming despite the thick layer of dust. Drew, a struggling writer desperate for inspiration, bought it on impulse. That night, in his dim apartment, he fed a blank sheet of paper into the machine and began to type. The neighbor's dog started barking. A second later, furious barking erupted outside his window. He froze, heart pounding. The barking stopped. An eerie silence fell, so absolute it rang in his ears. Trembling, Drew typed. A thunderstorm shattered the calm. Lightning flashed violently. Thunder boomed. Rain hammered his window like fists. His fingers shook uncontrollably, but he pressed on, curiosity twisting into dread. Drew's hands refused to stop typing. His fingers jerked and danced across the keys, ignoring his desperate attempts to pull away. Drew screamed, but no one heard. The words appeared as his throat burned, every plea swallowed by the relentless clacking. The machine continued. Drew vanished, leaving only this story behind. The apartment fell deathly silent. The typewriter sat waiting, a fresh page loaded, ready for the next tale to be written.